Hey, Eloise here. I want to tell you about a little workshop that I'm running, and you might want to come and join me. Over the last 2 weeks, if you've been watching my YouTube videos, I've been talking about making choices with your intuition. And we may carry on this theme, I don't know, we'll see. But it's a great theme, and I was like, why don't we do a workshop on this? Because this would be fun. So, if it sings to you, please come and join me. I'm going to run it on Wednesday, the 3rd of September, about probably 7:30 UK time. That always seems to work well for everybody. So obviously, there'll be a replay if you can't make it live. But if you want to join me around how to use your intuition to make decisions, and this is focused on creating our dream life, because that's what I'm all about, is using our intuition to create our dream life. If that sings to you, maybe you want to come and join me. So I'm calling the workshop Intuition First Decisions. I might change it. I don't know. That kind of sings to me. Intuition led decisions to help you create your dream life. We're going to get rid of indecision. We're going to get rid of how am my intuition? And we're actually going to start looking at some of the things we've talked about in the last few weeks. We'll go over that as well for people who haven't been here. But we're going to look at other ways as well that we can make these choices and have awarenesses on how to move forward towards our dream life together. So it's going to be a really fun session. I think it's going to be awesome. So find out more below about how you can sign up. And I hope you will come and join me for this amazingly exciting workshop. And there may be a few special gifts or bonuses or something exciting if you join in. So there's always something. I always over deliver. So, so sign up now. Come and join me for this exciting workshop. And let me know in the comments of the video what you're struggling with now around your intuition or what choices you're trying to make. Or drop me an email if you don't want to share in public. And that might actually help me cultivate what we need to address. So please like, comment, share this video with anyone else who might want to come and join us and play with their intuition a little bit more. Or anyone who wants to create their dream life. I mean, hands up, that'd be everybody. Who doesn't want that? And let's make some decisions with our intuition and move towards our dream life together. Look forward to seeing you at the workshop. Have a great week. Take care. Bye.